Good morning. Happy Sunday. So, you guys know that I have a weight loss planner from Happy Planner that I put together. I will try to link it down below in the description box. So, it is Sunday morning, you guys. I am the only one awake. Currently showing you guys that I did not clean my stove from last night. So, I'm just going ahead and pulling out some stuff for me to make for the week for myself for breakfast and the boys. Can't forget the boys. But of course, we got to start off our morning right with some creamer for some coffee. I'm pulling out my mozzarella cheese. Next, you guys, I'm going to be grabbing my eggs, and I realized the first carton was almost empty, so that's why you see me grabbing both. Then one thing you're not going to see me grab, I end up grabbing a round of breakfast sausage out the fridge as well. So now I just decided just to show you guys what's currently going on in my working pantry. Yes, it's a mess, but it's a mess that I know where everything is still. So I'm just showing you what I'm currently have in my working pantry. And then we are actually about to go walk. Okay, I'm showing you guys the walking part in a few seconds. We are actually about to go walk to my other pantry area, so y'all can see my second pantry and what's currently going on in there. It hasn't went completely empty yet, y'all. There's still a lot of stuff in there. I'm trying to be quiet because it's actually like 5 o'clock in the morning while I'm filming this, and the boys are still asleep. So this is currently still what's going on in my working pantry. Yeah, I'm actually getting low. I said I'm getting low. I'm getting low in fruit cups, but that's okay. So we just going to go right back around, and I'm going to show you the other area where I have more pantry items. Now we about to walk past. Y'all going to see some pink and some blue on the other side of the screen. There's currently 2 dogs in the house, so those are doggy beds. Now, right over here on the other side of my kitchen table, as I turn on the lights, this is where I keep like all my canned goods, canned meat, beans, soup, of course, extra paper plates and silverware, because you know it is winter time and I got them just in case. Then over here, I'm showing you the other canned items I have. We have some long-term canned items. I don't know if you guys saw that canned chicken. Right now, I'm just showing you this can of beef from Keystone. Keystone is, this one can costs about $6, you guys. And I was just showed you I had chicken. I had previously hauled chicken. Well, this beef one, I found not at my normal Walmart I normally go to, but at a different Walmart. They had them on the very top. Luckily, we had just came from Sam's Club, and hubby was in the car. I had to call him to come inside the store to pull it down for me, and I ended up grabbing 4 cans. So that will be in my long-term food storage. So I'm just showing you guys everything else that I currently have up here. Some rice, more soup. This is the other pantry that's actually on the left side of my stove. And I'm just showing you guys, you know, what I currently have in my pantry items and how I'm not going to be purchasing anything throughout the month of January. So here we go. So you guys see, I'm about to chop up an onion. Okay, because like I said, you know, I got to get my breakfast for the week. My onion is chopped. Yay. Then I had already went ahead and had cooked the ground pork, the breakfast sausage. And I show you that it has the onions in there. Got my cup of joe. And I'm just putting them in at the bottom of a muffin tin, a greased muffin tin. I did mix up some eggs. I put some of the mozzarella cheese on top of the meat mixture, and I'm just pouring the rest of the egg mixture on top of that. Yes, I am making egg bites. No, I do not have a precise, measurement. I just went with the flow here. Next, as you can see, they are baking in the oven, y'all. And then as they were baking, I went ahead and I mix together some pancake mix, because the boys actually eat breakfast at school, but they enjoy grabbing them a pancake on the way to school. So as you can see my instant cream of wheat, the other extra breakfast sausage with onions. I put it in a freezer bag. my egg muffins, and pancakes. So the boys will be having the pancakes for breakfast. I will be, grabbing me one or two of these egg muffins on the way out the door with my cup of coffee. The extra breakfast sausage will be going in the freezer so I can use it for the next time I make these, which will more than likely be next weekend. And then, of course, I have my breakfast cereal. So this is what I'll be utilizing for breakfast in the morning. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye.